So, which are the people you're going to kind of interact with? What news and information are you going to kind of spend your time on? What kind of magazines are you going to spend your time on? What kind of social media pages are you going to be on? What kind of personalities are you going to kind of follow and stuff? So, if you really want to, let's say, worry, I mean, in a positive connotation, if you really want to be focused on what you want to achieve and what your concern is or what your target and thinking is, and you have to decide the kind of information and the kind of people and the kind of interactions you want to have, the kind of podcasts you want to follow, the kind of books you want to read, the kind of leaders you want to kind of give your energy to and stuff. Are you going to be focusing on joyful stuff, or are you going to focus on negative and moronic stuff, which is not helping us? I don't think. I don't think in your work sphere following news on community clash or murders or rapes, which are the concern of the country and the world, are going to help. Okay, so when you're spending your time on education and intellectualism and learning and stuff, you have to be focused on what you tend to spend your time and energy on, and you can always switch off and choose positive information and better information, because what you grow on grows on you. So the onus of education and the onus of learning good stuff and intellectualism or achieving knowledge lies with you. If people are going to be thinking that you're going to be a gyani, or you're going to give them gyan and stuff like that, please take it as a compliment, and go on this whole journey of bettering yourself each day and stuff. Visionaries or achievers or global entrepreneurs or movers and shakers or effective leadership or strategies or solution finding all happens as a result of the education, learning and stuff. It's amazing to follow people, it's amazing to follow doers and shakers and stuff, but the point is to not get carried away into their journeys and lives and stuff unless and until they don't positively kind of inspire you and stuff. So take care of yourself and avoid the necessary details. It's great to be organized, it's great to be proactive, it's great to be pushy, it's great to be confident, it's great to be assertive, it's great to be well informed. But the point is, when you get too detailed oriented, then you miss the larger picture. Okay, so love and luck and take care. Have fun, enjoy, stay hydrated. Really important. The weather is getting better, but still take care of your eyes, because certain environments they still have this kind of pain in the eyes kind of a situation. So also when you're doing your designs and stuff, do remember to keep air pollution and to keep the overall mood of people who are going to work with you or for you in mind when you do your designing and your brainstorming. So love and luck, take care, have fun, have a blast. Bye bye. Cheers. Have fun. Bye bye.